Let's ride into the sunset. Feel that power! Nothing can stop us now.
The light is perfect tonight. Yes, it suits us. Come, stand with me. Always.
Hi everyone, I have the perfect summer essential. This is Z Solaire Bronzing Oil with SPF 50. It gives a gorgeous glow and protects your skin. I love using it out here in the flowers. It's a must-have for your summer routine. This look is all about confidence. And this car? It's a perfect match. Z style all the way.